It seems like the perfect time to do some fall decorating. Sorry about the lighting, y'all, but I just got this basket from H&M. I absolutely love it. It goes great with the vibes of this house. I love how it looks against the rug. And again, sorry for the lighting. It's so dark in here. I'm just not sure where I would put it, but when I figure it out, I will definitely show y'all where I decide to put this basket. I love it. This is so cute, y'all, but I really don't know where to put it. So I just put her right there on my stove. But let me know if y'all have a better idea. Oh, I hope I don't drop her. So pretty. Got it from Target, by the way. It's huge too. I did not think it would be this big. I got a package, y'all. Can someone say H&M haul? What do y'all think about the bookends? Should I keep the books standing up or should I lay the books down? Okay, so I'm thinking about laying the books down and then I'll just place these on top. I decided to light the candle. It's definitely a vibe. Very cozy. I love it. All right, I got my entryway all decorated. I'm loving how it turned out. Loving the fall decor. Everything's so cute. And this candle, not my favorite scent. Not bad, it's not bad. It's spooky season, guys. I know what y'all are thinking. Danielle, you should have been decorated for fall, for spooky season. I know I'm a bit late posting this, but y'all, I'm trying my best. I am so behind y'all, and that's kind of why I feel like I'm not gonna have that many decor this year. I don't even think I want to do Halloween this year, like handing out the candy, which sounds so evil to the kids, but I feel like I'm gonna do them a disservice if I do not decorate the house scary. But like I said, I'm just behind on decorations, and I feel like The decorating I will do, well, let me recheck my statement. I will be decorating. It's just the decorating that I plan on doing is not going to be Halloween decor, like scary. So I feel like I'm going to do the kids a disservice. And I don't want to disappoint the children. So yeah. And to be honest with you, I just don't really feel like doing all that decorating, to be honest with you. I know. So yeah, I don't think I'm gonna really be decorating this year because I am super behind on decorations. I decided to change out the throw blanket. I had a white one here, but it was too white. So I found this beautiful brown color one with the blue and the cream, or the taupe or ivory or beige, whatever color this is. But anyways, I just love the color combination. It looks so good. I can't wait to get our rug down. Y'all, I'm so mad. I ordered this rug 2 months ago and it told me it will not be delivered until October 22nd. So unfortunately, I have to wait for that rug. Once it's here, it'll probably get here by the time I upload my Halloween video, and I will definitely update you guys and show y'all what it looks like and everything. I would just suggest, if you have the extra funds, buy a cheap vacuum to vacuum your front porch and your outdoor rug, your welcome mat. So much faster, so much quicker than sweeping. So this is how it turned out. I love it. It's so beautiful. To put this sign here, but I don't know if I'm gonna keep it right here. So this is how the pumpkins turned out. I love it, y'all. My shadow is a paid actor. If you want to know how I achieved the terracotta pumpkin look, stay tuned. I have a video to show y'all how I made the pumpkins look more terracotta and less of that orange. This one is my favorite one. At first I didn't want pink mums because I didn't think it would go with the wreath, but it actually goes really well with the wreath. The pink and white and then the burgundy. So surprised how it actually looks so good. So I am very proud about that. I have this huge ceramic pumpkin that I wanted to put outside, but I'm afraid she's gonna get stolen. I really feel like someone might run off with her, but I'm going to take my chances, put her outside, because I really want it to have, it's super heavy by the way, because I really wanted to have like all the pumpkins in front of the door that are all this color. So I'm gonna take the risk, y'all. Not saying I live in a bad neighborhood. People just be peopling sometimes, you know, especially the kids of the neighborhood. I don't think they're gonna want to take this, but they just might break it. But somebody's mama just might take off with this because it's so cute. I mean, shoot. I don't blame them. It's crazy how people can't even decorate for the actual season that we're in right now. People are already getting ready for Christmas, which is crazy to me. And when I go to the store, I see Christmas decoration already. So it's just like, why are we speeding things up? Why can't we just be in the moment and enjoy the season? I would never disrespect October like that. I would never disrespect fall like that. Like, come on now. I just don't understand the rush. It's driving me crazy. So, yeah. It doesn't make any sense how people are now decorating for Christmas. Like, that's bad. That's really bad. And if they're not decorating for Christmas, they're decorating for winter, which I don't even know that's even better. You know what? Both are bad. Can y'all even believe that? This is my box of Halloween stuff, y'all. All this stuff is new. I cannot wait to show y'all what everything looks like. I have a black skeleton right here. It's hard to see. This is a witch broom. I can't even pull it out because it's stuck in there. This is an LED witch hat. Y'all, you're just gonna have to wait. Y'all are just gonna have to wait for the big reveal. And the decor is inspired by Pottery Barn because I went to their website and I saw how they decorated a front porch and I loved it. So I bought a whole bunch of cheap dupes because you know Pottery Barn is so expensive. I cannot wait to show y'all how everything turns out and then do like a compare and contrast so y'all can see if I nailed it or if I failed it. I cannot wait to start decorating for Halloween, y'all. How's your day going?
It's going all right.
You are hot. And sorry for being so inconsistent, guys. I will work on that. It seems like every so many videos I say that. I will do better, I promise. I am trying, y'all. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video and let me know if you got some inspiration watching this video. Like I said, I know I'm late getting it out. You probably have already decorated for fall. You're probably got your Halloween decor. Or if you're an Instagram home decor content creator, you're already decorating for Christmas. But like I said, I hope you got some decor inspo. And if you can't use it for this year, maybe you can use it for next year. I will try to have all the items linked down below, but I realized it's better to put it on my like to know if I had a like to know. So, like to know, if you're watching this, please approve my application to make a like to know page, please. I know I'm inconsistent, but give your girl a chance. But anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'll probably go get me like a pumpkin spice latte. I haven't had one in so long. I'm not really in the fall spirit right now because it's literally 90 degrees out and it just doesn't feel like fall. That's probably why I'm always so behind. But I might get myself in this spirit by getting me a pumpkin spice latte. Yeah, I said it. I haven't had a pumpkin spice latte in so long. Oh, and please ignore my packages. H&M haul coming soon, by the way. But yeah, I haven't had a pumpkin spice latte in so long. I'm seeing pumpkin spice. I mean, y'all are too. Y'all been seeing it probably since the beginning of September. I'm gonna get me some pumpkin spice latte flavored something. Get myself in the mood, get myself in the spirit. They have pumpkin spice latte everything. And then maybe like sit down and watch a fall chick flick on Hallmark, unless Hallmark is already playing Christmas stuff. Because they literally skip Thanksgiving. I don't even know if they play movies for Halloween. I know that someone somewhere has created a cute fall chick flick. But I'm sure Hallmark has created a cute fall little chick flick. They have to have. So I'm gonna go see. And yeah. But anyways, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to your girl. I hope y'all have a great day or night whenever y'all are watching this. And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye, guys. So they do have cute little chick flicks for fall time.
I was just running towards west. Now I kind of wonder what I've been running towards.
Look how cute.
How long have you lived here?
Look how cute this movie is. It's called A Royal Runway Romance, which is definitely a tongue twister.
Right there, what you're doing is hurting me on a metaphysical level here.
Brothers, I don't have
How cute, they're making s'mores. Or eating s'mores. And it's giving fall with all the orange. As cheesy as Hallmark movies are, I just might sit here and watch it.
Isn't that lady a royal? Like from Europe?
You're pretty good at this.
I'm in love with you.
Another cute fall movie just came on, y'all. I know what I'm gonna be binge watching tonight. So it looks like Hallmark does have fall movies. Look at all these fall movies they have. Oh my goodness. This one seems cute. So yeah, if you're wondering if Hallmark has fall movies, they definitely do. Look at all these movies.